So what's up, Soul Squad? Happy Tuesday to you guys, and hopefully, no, this video is going up because I went out, ran some errands this morning, and I told my son, I said, I don't care what you do. This video is going up today. I don't care if it get posted at 11 o'clock at night. My Tuesday video is going up. With that being said, I am my own video person today. I'm my own cameraman or phone man. I am that person today. So, unfortunately, this is what you get today. Just a picture of me introducing this. I think I know what I'm making. I have some Cornish hens. I have about 6 of them. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. I'm not sure of size, but the video is basically based on the little teeny small Cornish hens that we're about to cook and prepare. Excuse me. I cook and prepare. So again, I am my own video person today, so you may not see a lot of this mug. Okay, just focusing on the food. Everybody's at work or either busy, so I decided I'm not gonna let that stop me. I gotta get a video up today. It's Tuesday. So without that being said, with that being said, let's get started. Let's make some Cornish hens the way I make it here in my home. So squad, love you guys. One moment. So my oven is on, well, it's preheating, but it's on 350. This is the large pan that I'm going to use. The green peppers and onions that I'm going to use, and all 6 of my birds sitting right here, which I already put lemon juice on them, but I'm just going to throw a little bit of salt on them real quick to rinse them out, to clean out the inside and everything like that. Get it. So again, I'm doing my own recording today, you guys. So I'm just want a little bit of salt, and we're gonna turn it down some warm water. And I don't have a way of holding it anywhere, so I'm just let you guys, this is how they're starting off my sink with lemon juice and salt. And I'm gonna pluck whatever feathers I see on them off. I'm gonna go on the inside of them, and just rinse them out and see what's going on there. Pull off any excess fat. I don't want any. My oven just beat. So let me just rinse and pluck, you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I don't know if you guys can see me. So basically, I have my really good sharp knife here, and this is the chicken when it's whole. And this is the front part. I'm not going to cut down the front part. I'm going to turn it over where the neck is, and I want to cut straight down there. So, take my knife. You guys really can't see. And then you can hear me break the back. I just broke his back. Okay. So, hopefully I could do it this way. And you guys can see me go straight down that back. Because I don't have nobody else here to record with me. I'm trying to be careful. I come straight down the back. So yeah, come straight down the back. Pull it open like this. Somebody said, oh my God, that's so graphic. It's chicken, we eat it every day. And that's the inside. And it's the back side. I'm going to rinse it out, pull some of this extra fat off, then I'm going to lay it flat open in the pan like this on top of my vegetables. So while it's baking, it can absorb the green peppers and the onions. You can put red peppers in here in the pan, and this is what it's going to be laying on. So I'm going to fix this one up, rinse out the inside, pull off this extra fat. You see all this extra fat around here. Pull off this extra fat, rinse the inside down, lay it flat in my pan, and I'm going to season my chicken with some pepper. I'm going to go really light on the seasoning, guys. I'm just going to use pepper and seasoning salt, and I'm going to use olive oil to grease the chicken down, and I'll put a little bit of vegetable broth. Now what I got? Chicken broth. If you have vegetable broth, you can use it. I'm going to put a little bit of chicken broth into the pan and put it in the oven on 350 degrees and let my birds cook. So, let me peel off this extra fat, rinse out the center, lay it down in my pot, and I'll bring you guys back once I season and oil it down for you guys to see what it look like. Okay, be right back, Soul Squad. Here we go. So here we go, Soul Squad. I put in maybe about 1 cup of vegetable, keep saying vegetable, chicken broth. Excuse me. With that's why I'm sneezing off camera way on the other side. About maybe a half a cup of olive oil. Just pull it on there and massage it in my chicken, along with some seasoned salt, pepper, and olive oil. And of course, the chicken is sitting on a bed of onions and green peppers. You can add red peppers if you like. My oven is at 350. Guys, I'm gonna put this in here, place them in the oven. No aluminum foil, because I wanted to get crispy. I wanted to cook because it's kind of late in the evening. But I'm going to place it in the oven, no aluminum foil. Let them cook for an hour before I flip them. They come back, flip them again. And we're just going to see the end results of these Cornish hens. Remember, I split them open just to get that flavor up in there. You don't have to do that. But this is the way I do it. This is our dinner tonight. I'll be right back, Soul Squad. Soul Squad, I'm back. It's been about an hour, and I'm pulling the chicken out. I'm going to flip them and drain them for gravy, for the juice. So look at this. So this is my chicken. And that's why I'm going to use 1 cup of chicken broth, you guys, just because the chicken holds water, and it was going to release those juices. And I can't, since I'm the only person recording tonight, I can't show you guys, watch me drain the juices. But at this point, guys, you want to drain some of the juices off. You want to hold on to it so that you can make a gravy for whatever. They want garlic mashed potatoes. So that's what I'm going to make. And I got some stuffing. And yeah, so this is what's going on so far. After an hour in the oven at 350, this house smells so amazing. It smells delicious. So I'm going to drain this, flip them, put them back in the oven. Then when we come back, they should be finished, Soul Squad. Yeah, they should be finished. They look good. I'm out. So guys, I flipped them. No, they don't look that pretty. But I flipped them, added some seasoned salt and pepper to this side. And that's the juice I drained off. I'm going to make the gravy with. I didn't leave that much in there. You can see the green peppers and the onions. I'm going to put this back in the oven. Let this side get nice and crispy, and we'll be good to go. About 45 minutes or so. We're out. Okay, guys. My chicken is done. And just for a sneak peek, yams. Just because Jackson came home from school, he smelled it. What's going with it? Can you make some yams? We just had Thanksgiving. Oh, well. See, yams on the stove. Turned down low, cooking. And this is the chicken. I'm going to plate it and let you guys see the end results. Hey guys, this is my Cornish hen. This is the way I make it here in my kitchen. Green peppers, onion, it's nice and juicy. They're going to have their sides to go with it, everybody. Again, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to go in the description and check out the Jam Fam. And we're about to eat. Who's doing the mukbang? I wonder who. Not sure yet, but check out the mukbang as well. Until next time, guys. 9 pieces to fry for your stew. Not for your stew, for your soup. So, you need bacon. You need shredded cheese. You need potatoes. You need butter, sour cream, flour,